118 of the Constitution that provides the requirements under which, the grounds under which a minister can be censured. Two out of 4 requirements have been fulfilled by the minister. One is mismanagement and the other is abuse of office. It is reason enough. Last week, we also wrote to the President of Uganda asking him to deploy her elsewhere. And the response has not yet happened. So let's allow the process to take its course. The Parliament of Uganda and our colleagues in Parliament are in support of the process we are beginning today.
Many are still in their constituencies overseeing how the PDM is progressing on ground. Today we sat and we decided to draft a motion for the censure of the Minister for Karamoja Affairs, who actually happened to be the custodian of all what is supposed to be going to Karamoja. But because she has mismanaged and even went to the extent of making sure that these iron sheets, instead of going to Karamoja, went to our constituency, and in our constituency, I think she opened a shop. You saw in the media how these iron sheets were being sold, even with that brand of Office of the Prime Minister. It was actually something disgusting to us. It is something which is an abuse to the Karamojans. We don't know even how much other relief items might have disappeared in her hands. So thanks to the God of the Karamojans, the truth has been revealed and she has been seen doing this for herself. So ours is for her to leave the Ministry of Karamoja Affairs. And if it was to be me, I would have resigned the first day that I saw the things being sold in Bugishu. So we are not happy to the minister. She must resign and she's not going to work with us. It is up to the president to place her elsewhere, but not Karamoja.
And each arm of government has a role to play. Now, as Parliament, we do the oversight role. And as members of Parliament that come from Karamoja, our role is to ensure that whatever is meant for Karamoja is taken to Karamoja. We are aware that, again, there is evidence that the iron sheets were found in Amisindwa. Now, like we said, resignation was actually first call for the minister, knowing that, actually apology first, then resignation, but she's not taking any of those. So the best is to get her out of that office, then to allow investigation to take place.
This is my name. I'm the MP for Bokora County in Apak, and I'm secretary for KPG, Karamoja Parliamentary Group. What we are witnessing in a nation is people that have lost morals, lost conscience. For you to be able to sell items that are supposed to benefit the poor and remain with your head up, something has gone amiss. And it's the reason why we are actually...
The Minister for Karamoja Affairs is a cabinet minister, full cabinet, senior. She is in charge of the ministry. She is the custodian of all resources that Parliament appropriates to the Ministry for Karamoja Affairs. And so it is not possible to hold everyone else. She chose to give a bonanza, hold accountable. We hold the one with the duty to take care of the resources of Karamoja. We hold her accountable. It is just the right thing to do. She will explain in the House how she gave her friends the iron sheets meant for Karamoja.